What do you think of that? Climbing down this, huh? Well, we have made it up to the caves here. How cool is that? Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. The subscribe button's right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Don't mind my huffing puffing, guys. Fat guy climbing a hill here. Yeah. That's cool. Put the bag down. Take you guys exploring. You'll go where nobody else is going. Oh. How cool is that? Well, guys, we are way up here in these mountains, up on a cliffside to the cave. Let's go up these stairs.
I had enough trouble getting up. You came in the Tesla? No. Oh, okay. Hyundai. But you came this direction? Yeah. Was it really easy to drive that way?
Yeah. I took that Hyundai last year down from the top of the mountain. I don't recommend it.
Yeah.
In a car.
Yeah, it was kind of. We really only hit about a quarter-mile stretch. That was pretty rough.
Oh, you just came down from the top?
Yeah, we came from this way.
I won't do that again in the Hyundai.
Yeah, it was. And we were wondering if this way was just a lot better.
It's no problem.
Where does it dump you out at?
Bernalillo.
So we are spelunking. It's so cool back here. It's so dusty though.
Yep.
Yeah, you good?
Yep. Just sliding down.
Wow, that's cool. Is this just the back of the cave? Okay, it gets really skinny from here on out.
Yeah, I ain't going in skinny.
No?
No.
Let me see what's back
If it opens up any, maybe.
there. Oh, don't even forget my sunglasses.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. I mean, it goes for a ways.
But it's like that.
Yeah, kind of. It looks like it gets a little bigger right there, but I can't see past. I wish I had a good flashlight.
Yeah.
I thought he meant when there's another opening, I thought he meant like an exit opening.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool though.
Well, guys, this was pretty cool. It's a little bigger than the last one. A little darker. I'm going to shut this off real quick and show you. I'll just put it down. Look. And that's still what Cody's like. Put your light down for a second against your leg. Look at, yeah, so it goes dark. Look at that. That is dark. Wow.
Yeah. No light.
Pretty crazy, guys. Neat. But I don't crawl on my belly in caves. That's how you get stuck.
I love it.
I know you would have.
I think going all the way.
Ah, graffiti.
Ah,
Why?
what is wrong with people, man?
Why? Go to the city and do that.
Yeah. Why are you messing up the beautiful cave?
Yeah, okay. This is going to be an interesting
Okay,
video.
here, now I want to take a picture of this.
Now look at that spiral staircase. Yeah, that is, what do you think of that? Climbing down this, huh? We're going to walk that trail back. I'll record some of the way back. About a half-mile hike into here, and not too bad. I died way more on the other hike.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little tougher. A little tougher, and this one was a little cooler. A lot cooler. Yeah.